a quandary. What to do about this? It would be nice if there was a joint right there, but there's not. This is nice and thick wood. In the old days, when they would call it a 2x6, a 2x6, it was an actual 2 inches thick, 6 inches wide. Nowadays, it's 1.5 by 5.5. Did you know that, Anna?
No.
That's
Good to know.
That's why they called it a 2x6. Look how thick this is. It's almost 2 inches right there. This wood. They don't make wood like that anymore. No sirree. We gotta cut that. We gotta cut that out of there. And this is nailed on the back side here. It's also nailed over here. This piece here is a little suspect. I'm gonna have to be careful with that. You wanna look for nails because this was actually nailed down there. So the first thing I'm gonna do is find some nails. And look at that. There's one right there. I'll take my cat's paw. And this one is already lifted a little bit. See how rotten this is? If you're thinking of replacing your window, don't think, okay, I'm just gonna kind of jerry rig this and put some putty in here and paint it. Don't even think about it, okay? And these nails were thicker too, so sometimes cat's paws don't work too well. It's all rusted out. This was a thick nail too. They don't make nails like that anymore either. Okay, I got another one here. Trust me, it's here. Okay. So, gotta figure out how to get that. See, that's all dry rotted, or else I couldn't put my cat's paw right down through there. Okay, so now, what am I gonna do there? Am I gonna take my inch and a quarter chisel and start chiseling this out? Oh yeah, you could do that, but that's gonna take you way too long. We're not gonna do that. I'm going to use something that you may not have used before. It's a Sawzall, and this one got the zoom off.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is a battery-operated Sawzall, and you would think there's not much power with this, but check it out. Lithium battery. It's an 18-volt battery, and a lithium battery replaces all your old-style batteries, and this actually makes it reciprocate that much quicker. And usually your lithium batteries are designed to fit into an old Sawzall, skill saws, drills, whatever. Okay, so next time your old batteries take a dump on you, let's say, get the lithium ones. Don't buy the other ones. These last longer too, 20% more powerful, I hear, and they don't make Sawzall like they did in the old days either. Remember, these used to be with the little Allen wrench, and to take that off, you just loosen that up like that, you can pull this blade out. And this is the blade I'm going to use. It almost looks like something that you would cut tree limbs with. Nice sharp blade. This will rip you up if you're not careful. Okay, and the good thing about that is you can flip it either direction. I can have it like that, or I can flip it around. See, if I have it like that, if I was cutting something flat, the battery and the handle is going to be in my way, so I'm going to be cutting at an angle. If I flip this around, let's see if I can get it out of there. Oh, I kind of tighten that a little bit. Jeez, what's happening here? Oh, okay, there. I didn't have that lifted up all the way. I can flip this around. And lots of old style Sawzalls, you may not be able to flip it around like that. Okay, make sure it's pushed down all the way. Now tighten it up. Zingo. Now if you're cutting something flat, look at that. You can go right down, like if you're cutting mud sill in between a door jamb or something, if you frame walls or something. You got more control doing it flat this way instead of like that sometimes. Okay, so I'm going to use that. I'm going to cut this thing out of there. Well, how am I going to do that? Just watch and learn, Stern. Okay.